guys, go check out my other shorts of this wolf painting that I'm making. I also forgot to capture the other one, so like touching up the details is what that one would be. So yeah, we're just going to finish this whole thing. It might take an hour, no one cares. And yeah, I care though. So this is all special. This is my special thing for the weekend. I did this just for fun because I got bored. So yeah. I have to rush because one of my friends is going to be here that did the axolotl saying yes, yes, yes. You know that video. Go check it out on my shorts. Yeah, by the way, that new YouTuber kid, don't shout out yourself. For the sake of gosh, you're not allowed to do that. Like, what the heck? You're meant to shout out people who like subs and stuff like that. But that kid, you're a demon. This is for the kid. You're a demon. You're trying to get subs. I'm doing way better progress. Because I'm better. You know, just beep all that out. Retrial. No. But that's why you can't shout yourself out. You'll get no subs. You gotta be smarter than that, kids. You gotta be. Not any of my other subs, because she's probably not subbed to my channel. Tell me. Alrighty, so now we're just gonna add fur. Dang it. I went the wrong way, but who cares? Me. I'm running over shade of brown into this spot. Yeah. A shade. Alrighty, got it. Let me just add some more details. Alrighty. Here's what I did so far. Alrighty. So now the next thing is we're gonna work on the gray pattern. That kind of goes down from that brown spot that I just did. So yeah. It has the white and black in it, so I'll leave a bunch of spaces. I'm gonna try to avoid the eye, and I gotta use my black out on this. So from the eye, we're gonna go swoop, gonna go like this. Actually worked out pretty good. Now we want to do it actually farther. There. It has a tiny little marks around there, so yeah. Okay, I'll just make the blacks all blend in that spot. Alright, so now we're just going to try to work out that some. And make that invincible. Alrighty. Beautiful. Yeah, I just decided that they're going for a wolf coloring thing that they have. Yeah. I messed up some, but who cares? We're just going to try to erase marker, guys. delete the marker, delete the marker. Alrighty. I'm just gonna add some tan shading to pretend that never happened. It's not on the other side, so we're just gonna pretend that never happened. Not there. Oh, good thing. Okay, I didn't mix up because I did it on the other side of here. So yeah, I'm doing like a white to tan here, so like we'll use the tan for the outline, and it's gonna be like right here ish. Yeah, I'm gonna do that. There's that. I'm forgetting to do the fur texture or what. That's fine. So, wow, hate my drawings. Alrighty, that's just I hate my own voice. So yeah. Alrighty. Now we're just gonna chase out the eye because I'm worried about it and collapse with stuff, and I can't see it at the point. So yeah, got that traced. Now the eyes are pretty tan over here, so we're gonna draw the eye with tan real quick and add some shadings. Light brown. There's that. Perfect. So we right now, but I released the drawing lines after I'm done. Kind of hide it. Oh, but yeah. Put in the more. So there's gray streaks after that right here. And I'm not doing the full gray streak because I'm adding black to the end of that apparently. So one full gray streak. Alrighty. And then we just add gray until we get to right here. So I'll add a little dot. This whole section will be black strips at the end, and you just do gray. So I get there. Alrighty. I got there, so now I'm just doing gray streaks inside the line basically as much as I can. And we can do some normal gray streaks down here. And now we just add a block to the end of the dots. Alrighty. And we just add some black to make it more fluffy looking. And that looks good. So yeah. So now we're gonna kind of go down. We're gonna do like a darker color, like down here. So like doing a fur down here to like right here where we add more stuff. So like right near the chin area will be sort of adding like a vibrant color area, but not that vibrant because it's just gonna be tan. But yeah, use that. I'm capturing more detail with this one. It's gonna be white spots on your shed. Some gray too, where it's just white, and then there's white with a tiny bit of tan. I add some tan. So some highlights, so I'm just like adding bushy spots and stuff like that. Yeah. Like white spots, having gray streaks. Alrighty, that's normal for a tab, so it goes up there. We're finally done with the top. Onto the secondary layer. So it's mostly white. No, it's brown with a tiny more bit of tan and white. And it's all brownish colors. Like that. Alrighty. Now we just add more brown. So first we're gonna do the darkest brown. We're gonna be kind of doing this. We're gonna be doing that all the way around, except we're gonna stop some. After we get rid of this, we're gonna do tiny little towards kind of bluish. Alrighty. So now we're gonna add some lighter and darker browns. Even though that's the darkest brown. Now I'm just adding another brown shade of colors. This is basically the whole fur pattern. All the other brown colors will get in there, some in place as well. Alrighty. And time for this color. Again, just kind of leveling it out some and giving it more realism. So that's good. Now, that's all, and then we just have to add some more gray streaks for the white. Alrighty. So we've got all the fluffles done, which y'all would think it's fun, but it's really not. Making tough lines and dealing with it. Alrighty, so now we just add some tan above the eye. That's not even tan. Dang it. Like, under that. And there's that. Here's the thing. If y'all come to my maybe meet and greet, y'all have to pay for yourself. Alright. I'm being creepy. Really don't anybody showing up except maybe my supporter. I don't really know. I'm just adding some details to the other side that I forgot to add. Yeah. Now I just have to add some gray under it. Make it have that little like look to it that it has. Maybe just this. Right, so then we add more like white fluff. Alright, after that white fluff, there's more white fluff. So we're back to doing that. We stop. We can't add too much white fluff because we have to make the nose. Now we're doing the nose print, that's tan. So it's like from the eye actually, and it goes down to like that, and it has this brown outline in it down here. And yeah, now we're just adding blocks. We'll add some fluff to it to make it look more realistic. And yeah, now we just color that in with tan. And after that's colored in with tan, we want to go ahead and go back with that other brown that we used that was super white. We're going to go at the bottom with it. Like it has a tiny little highlight. Goes over to the other side too. Because the other side don't have it because it's not realistic. Didn't try too hard on the other side. Now, I believe the rest is just gray highlights. Then I'm done. No, there's more fur pattern this way. But blacken it. Some like patterns to the side. And we're done. I'm really happy with it. It's very cool. I love it. I'm just going to make a short of it.